What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 59 cents, down 3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.74 billion, 24-hour volume, 513 million. So let's hop straight into it. So it looks like we're still going through our wave 4 correction. Let me just quickly switch my candles back to the normal. Okay, perfect. So we're still going through our wave 4. Now we didn't quite touch the 0.236. Now we have touched it and we've seen a nice bounce. So this is your minimum requirement, the 0.236. Usually a wave 4 is going to land in between the 0.382 and the 0.5, or in between the 0.236 and the 0.382. But as of right now, we have met the minimal target. Now we may put in a small inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder. We came down, we made the head, so we may make a right shoulder. And then if we do break out, that could break you out of this bull flag pattern, which could take Matic up to about 63 cents, and you would be breaking out of this bull flag. So we'll see what happens here. We have put in the minimum requirement for a wave 4 pullback. So if we do start to break out, we had that wave 5 target. Let me quickly do my fib here. So this bull flag would take you all the way up here to about 81 cents, which is above our wave 5 target. To measure our wave 5, there's a couple ways that you can do it. Trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. And you're looking for a 0.618 extension, which is coming in at 70 cents. And as I showed you guys yesterday, you can also measure from the bottom of your wave 1 to the top of your wave 1, and you're looking for a 100% extension of wave 1, which is currently coming in at 70 cents as well. So that's our wave 5 target, 70 cents. Now we can continue to come down. You know, if we break this level of support, we can come down to 52 cents. We can come down to 49 cents and still be putting in that wave 4 correction, looking for that wave 5. We have come back down towards oversold on the RSI. We still do have a little bit more room to come down here. But as of right now, I mean, we're looking good. We've come down to the 0.236. Let's look at the 4-hour chart quickly here. We don't have any bearish divergences. Let me see here. Oh, actually we do. So we have an equal high right here while creating a lower high in the RSI. So just watch that, guys. That can be an early signal that the bulls are running out of strength. But if you see us start to break above this bear flag, I'm just going to take this out so it's not distracting. If you see us break above this bear flag, bull flag, if you see us break above this bullish flag, we back test it as support. That's when you can see that nice breakout to complete that 5-wave move to the upside. And once we complete that 5-wave move, that's a large wave 1. All of this is a large wave 1. And then you'd be looking for a wave 2 pullback. But as I mentioned before, I think Bitcoin may be pushing up to about 26 to 28K before coming down lower and faking everybody out. And then you'll see Matic come lower, of course, and come all the way back down to lower levels of support. And in that case, we'd have to be looking at a different wave structure on the larger time frames, because we'd still be technically going through a 5th wave to the downside if that does play out here. Because do you really think that the bottom is in for this bear market? Personally, I don't. I think we have at least one more leg down. But of course, anything can happen. If BTC does come down to that 10 to 13K price target, then Matic will definitely come all the way down to at least about 20 cents, 18 cents, in my opinion. But as of right now, we put a beautiful 3-wave structure to the upside, going through that wave 4 correction and looking for that final wave 5. So we'll pop over to our next chart, but a big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have their incredible Visa card for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as Crypto Earn. We can earn incredible interest on staking your coin, 8% on all your stable coins, 12.5% on Polygon, 12.5% on Polkadot, and their DeFi wallet where I stake all my Crow and Atom. Crow at a 12.5% return, Atom at about a 15.5% return. Incredible place to earn interest on staking your coins with Crypto.com's DeFi wallet, your keys, your crypto. $25 just for signing up through my referral, top of the comments. So we look at the daily time frame. As you can see here on the daily, our bullish divergence has been playing out beautifully. We've already reached our target when we entered our trade at 35 cents. We already made a 70% gain from our entry, which was incredible in the Discord here. So we've reached this major level of resistance. So could Matic get rejected here? Easily. Easily Matic can get rejected in this range and come back down. Now, if it were to hold this support, if this is a wave 1, we go through a wave 2, and let's say we hold right here, well, you'd have a massive inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that could lead to a huge breakout back to the upside for Matic. And of course, BTC is still all the way down at 21K. So if we see BTC go to 26, 28K, that's when you can see a really massive breakout here for Matic. That could take you all the way back up to about, $1.06, $1.07 here. Major level of resistance here. Matic could see a nice push up to those levels of resistance if we do see Bitcoin push all the way up to about 28K. But we have seen quite a significant pump for Matic so far. In the short term here, just see if we can break out of this bull flag. If you see us start to push up and break this resistance here, we back this as support, then I think you're going to be looking at your wave 5 all the way up to about 73, 74 cents. But if we lose the 236, then just target the 0.382 at 52 cents. And the 0.5 is usually your maximum pullback for a wave 4, currently coming in at 49 cents before seeing that push up for your potential wave 5 up to about 73 cents. So a big shout out to the Discord, making some juicy profits with our trade signals. 70% move from our entry for Matic, 33% move from our entry for Solana. Locked in some gains there. Currently making some juicy profits with our ADA trade. All coming in at the $10 membership, and we have buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. And over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Here in the Discord, you can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.